อร่อยมากๆจัดคำ
Hello. So I'm currently right now at Hat Yai Sidewalk, which is a very special night market, or we call it a hipster walking street. But this is not open every day or even weekly. So they are only open during special occasions. So it's something that you need to check before you plan your trip to Hat Yai. So I actually took a walk inside, and it's actually very interesting. The things that are sold inside are not typical of what you see in the usual night market. The things here are actually more hipster and yeah, quite different. So I will bring you for a walkthrough, and you can take a look for yourself to see what there is over here. So this is actually one very interesting place you should visit when you plan your trip to Hat Yai. Okay, let's go and take a look. So they are along Chacharam Road, and from here you can see that this is definitely one walking street which you need to check out while you're here. Just by the side is a very interesting bar and izakaya, and from the name is quite interesting as well. You can take a look for yourself, the name. Yeah. Okay, so let's walk in to take a look. So over here there's a very beautiful vintage car. The clothes here are also quite nice. Very hipster feel. Very different from what you see in a typical Thai night market, I would say. Something very nice and interesting. And for those who want to party, to drink, this is a nice place to check out. You can see the logo Amazing Thailand. This market is actually supported by Tourism Authority of Thailand. So I think they are the organizers, and as you can see, it's a very nice place to chill. And right inside, according to Doreen, who is a Hat Yai Darren for Hat Yai Go Go Go, okay? Inside is another speakeasy bar, Villa Vanilla, which is very beautiful. She advised me to go and check it out. So yeah, you can see the video later. So meanwhile, I'll bring you to walk around this market and see what else there is. Let's turn to the left first. Let's U-turn. So a lot of small little lanes to check out. Very interesting hipster walking street, I would say. Oh, this is an interesting photo wall. Let's go to the left and see what else there is. Some grill over here, kebab. Land Rover. I think this place sort of give you that Thalai Road 5 Sirinakarin vibes. Very vintage, hipster kind of vibes. Sabai, and it's very true of Hat Yai. And over here is more like the food section, food and drinks. Let's see if there's any interesting things here, although I'm very full. Some chill area. Cannabis mocktail. Okay, for Singaporeans, better be careful of such stores because if you are caught drinking this, then you'll get into some trouble in Singapore. So better to avoid such stores at all costs. Yeah. Grilled jellyfish, interesting. It's like a Korean style sandwich. Croffles. Fruit juice. Oh, this is the screening of the video there. So there's actually a screening right here. Very cool. Okay, sorry.
Nobody knows มันจะเป็นเช่นไรจะเธออยู่ใกล้ๆไม่คิดว่าเวลาเป็นน้ำตาอย่างไร Nobody
More food. And this Hanom Bin. Okay, last time it used to be like smaller pieces, right? Nowadays, it's in trend that is make it in a large form, and then they will probably cut it later. Thank you. Yeah, so now they make it a big form, and it's basically made out of coconut. You can see lots of coconut here. Oh, thank you. This is a Kanom Bin, is it? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so this is a new style that they are actually making it. Go and try. You can feel the coconut slices. Good. Like this. Wow, look at the amount of chocolate poured in. Ooh. Some nice grill here. This is a bit like the satay sticks. Yeah, that's about it. Okay, so that's about it for this Hat Yai Sidewalk. I hope that you enjoyed the video walkthrough. And yeah, do stay tuned to our videos for more updates about Hat Yai. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye bye.